Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got a request from my last video to do a shortwave band scan on this BL-108 $10 radio AM/FM shortwave MP3 player. And I had done a band scan using the built-in telescopic antenna on shortwave, and it was pretty terrible. I got 3 or 4 stations that were within 1,000 miles. So what I've done this morning, and it's about 6 o'clock in the morning, I clipped on my G5RV outside antenna. Now, that normally when you hook it up to a radio, you hook up the center conductor and the ground, which makes the full dipole, the 2 legs of the dipole. Since this radio doesn't have an external antenna connector, I can only use a clip-on, and I can only connect it to the either the center or the ground or the shield. It's not used as ground, shield section of the dipole. So I'm only getting use of half of the dipole. The dipole is about 20 feet in the air, pointing, or it's in the direction of northeast. Parallel to it is like southeast. So here we go. I did a scan. It takes a while to do a scan. So I went ahead and did a scan, and we'll go through and see what it found, both stations and noise on shortwave. Here we go. And I'll turn the volume up. So there's the first one, just noise. 3.02, nothing there. Another one, just noise. Noise, noise. Oh, wait a minute. Operator error. I keep forgetting. I'll turn this down for a second. I keep forgetting on this radio, you use these buttons down here to go through the memory channels that it's stored. This is for direct tuning. So I got to use these buttons. So let me turn the volume back up. And then we'll use these buttons, and I'll go forward. There's channel 2. And if you let set for a second, it'll show you the frequency. And I'll try to not talk too much. Noise. 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 Data at 4.01. Noise. Oh no, there's something there. Oh, shut up. .84. Data. That should be WWV. I can hear the beeps. Very dim. Should be a noise wave. No, there it goes. There was a male voice, very weak. There's the beep. So that's coming in okay. Not okay, it's coming in. Preacher man. There he is again. That's probably Radio Habana. Noise. Weak station there. Noise.
Que Putin no iba a reaccionar así como ha reaccionado.
That's probably close by.
Porque él pensaba que Putin iba a conquistar Kiev primero.
Yeah. Picked it up. several places. But it was a strong signal. Noise. And these seem to be fading in and out right now. Something there, it's pretty weak. Could be out of Nashville, Tennessee. Nothing. Might be something really weak in there. Well, let me go back. That's WWV on 10 megahertz. No. And that's the thing about shortwave, you know, signals could come and go in seconds. So it could have been there when it scanned, and now it's gone. Oop, I'm going the wrong way. Oh, lots of noise. Up to 31 signals, most of much noise. Now I am in my office, which does have quite a bit of noise. I think I skipped one. Let me go back. I think there was something here. And the other thing, I didn't check this morning, but yesterday, the solar flux index on the A index, it showed pretty high number. That means lots of noise. So it could be a bad day for listening. Boy, I picked up a lot of noise. Go through these. There we go. So I picked up 40-some signals, of which 90% were noise. And again, it could be the band conditions. But it potentially, with an external antenna, and like I say, this is a G5RV antenna, and I'm only using the center conductor, so I'm only getting the use of half of it, which it's probably less than half effective if you're only using the one conductor. So anyway, if you want me to, I can take it down to my radio room and use another antenna. And the radio room has, when it's turned off, has a small amount of noise compared to my office, which I've got 3 or 4 computers on, router and modem and several other things emitting all kinds of noise. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.